everybody, CT Hippo and Grady out at another adventure. You may recognize this spot. We've been here before. This is the flood loader at the Kendall Krusher. We're standing on top of the silo. And since I'm too lazy to haul my fat ass up that hill to see the crusher, Grady's brought along his drone and we've been flying around getting video of that. So probably going to see a bunch of shots of what that looks like, and hopefully that'll motivate me to get up there and do it. And while we're here, we'll probably wander around, look at some of the other stuff that we missed last time. So let's go have an adventure.